Guys, going to talk about O-1s now. O-1 is an increasingly popular visa. It's your first step to getting into the United States. There are analog visas. There's H-1B, there's EB-1, which can lead to citizenship. O-1 can also lead to citizenship. You just have to do a little bit of maneuvering after you get that process going, but many of the requirements are the same. So listen up. Logistics notwithstanding, how do you qualify for an O-1? Well, the process can be very rigorous, but if you're working with the right immigration attorney, they can help you navigate it. So you have to satisfy 3 of the 8 categories, at least 3. We will go into more depth in these categories in a subsequent video, but just as a sort of bird's eye view, you gotta have some professional awards, whatever it is that your skill is, whatever your sphere is. You have to have a professional award. You have to be a member of an association. You have to have published some papers in scientific journals or in professional journals in your field. So the O-1 can be your first step to your new life in the US. Even though it is a non-immigrant visa, after you get over here on an O-1, you can later switch it to one that does lead to citizenship, such as EB-1, for example, a talent visa, right? But how do we qualify for an O-1? What do I need to do? What do you need to do? You need to be an expert with exceptional ability in some specific field, whether it's technology, mathematics, engineering, or performance arts. There's 2 categories of O-1s. Right now we're just going to talk about O-1A and the 8 particular requirements, 3 of which you will need to satisfy in order to obtain that visa. These requirements include membership in some professional association, awards that you received for your contributions in the field. Also, you must have published papers in scientific journals or had professional papers published about you, write-ups about you. And we could get into more particularities as to what specifically that means if we have a one-on-one conversation. One of the other things that you could satisfy is if you were in some sort of a contest and you won an award, or you were judging that contest, right? And by contest, I mean whatever it is that your professional field is, science, medicine, whatever. Also, you should be distinguished in your field. Hey man, how's it going? You got to be distinguished in your field, and your salary has to be above average, and that what is typically expected in your field. Now again, you don't need to satisfy all of these categories. If we meet one-on-one, or if you want more information on any particular one, write in the comments. We'll make more videos. All you need is 3. We're always going to try to gun for more because USCIS is very particular and we want to check as many boxes as you can. That's the first step of it. That's the easy part. The hard part is showing that you're in 10% of your field, and your attorney can help you navigate that complex step, which is done by providing supporting documentations, various paperwork that show that not only are you an expert in this field, you are the top 10% in that field. Feel free to reach out, write something in the comments, and have a nice day.